Hey, this is Charles, and today I'll be going over affiliate marketing and how to crush your debt. A lot of people come here because they're looking for a way to pay off their debt, ditch their job, and live life on their own terms. And if that's you, if that's your situation, then keep on watching and I'll show you how to rake in the profits through affiliate marketing, which is something where you can promote other people's products and make a lot of money. And I'm going to show you how to build your business that works around you. Here's a free gift. If you stay until the end, I'm going to give you access to a passive income framework that I personally use. And who am I? My name is Charles Raven. I'm here in Silicon Valley, and I've been building online businesses for over a decade. And here's a reason why I got started. I was a financial consultant, and I realized just running that traditional business, it just wasn't for me. I couldn't control my schedule, and I couldn't work when I wanted to. I tried different business models, most of which were too complex or not profitable. And having a brand new family, I realized that I needed to find something that was sustainable, something that allowed me to work on my own time and just work anywhere in the world pretty much. So what happened was that I was able to make money and I found a simple business model. I've been using it since then and I tweaked it over time. And what I'm doing here on InfoSpike TV, I'm sharing this concept. And the whole goal here is to help you make bank with simple online businesses. And let's go over the whole process for crushing your debt, especially with affiliate marketing. You want to focus on a target audience, and that is where you can pick a niche that truly resonates with you and, of course, has a bunch of people that are hungry to buy. Some people will just pick a niche that they feel comfortable with, that they're passionate with, but if you don't have a huge hungry audience to buy, then you're not going to be able to make much money from it. So that's extremely crucial. And for me, I realized that over time, there are just a small handful of big niches that have been around for eternity, which are the whole idea of wanting to be wealthy. For me, that's making money online. And I think no matter what, as long as the internet is around, people will want to find a way to virtually, remotely make money. So it's a very, very huge niche. And the other ones are like health and wellness and relationships. There are a lot of other niches out there, but those are the ones, the core ones that have been around since eternity. And so making money online, helping people make money online, that's my thing, especially coming from the financial sector, where I've been always wanting to help people create wealth. And I think this is pretty cool because when I was selling people financial instruments, having people invest in the market, there was a very huge risk in that. And I think that starting a business online, the risk is smaller, but the potential is huge. And I feel good about that, helping others make money online. Another thing I want to talk about, if you are trying to make big income online, people will be able to promote affiliate links. They don't have to buy into what they're offering. However, one of the ways that I promote products is that I search for products that have super high commissions. I'm talking about where people can make three, four, five plus figures for a single sale. And with that, I think that there's a lot of trust needed. So to actually make it more genuine, I purchase the product and I'm able to firsthand know what type of product, what type of benefits are being offered. Is it something that's good or not? And then for that, that's where I can convey my true uh, opinion, my thoughts, my insights on that product. And I think that that is extremely powerful to help build that know, like, and trust factor. Some people, they may not do that, but that's what I personally do. And then as you try to promote that product, people will want to learn more about it and they'll want to learn more about you. And to be very genuine, that can only come from if you are a customer. And I get it. There are people out there that cannot afford the products, especially high ticket products. And so getting started from nothing and being able to promote something, one of the things that I highly recommend. As soon as you can start profiting, where you can earn and invest in yourself, that is going to be a very crucial step. And again, I get it. Some people can't afford it, but when you can afford it, think about it. That will help you become more genuine. value-driven content, where you can focus on valuable content that educates and entertains your audience. Some people call this, especially that blend, infotainment, where you can provide that type of valuable content with entertainment and then attract potential buyers organically. And whether you use one or the other, the education component or entertaining component, it's up to you. Some people will focus on one or the other, and some people are capable. They're very brilliant to be able to provide content that provides both. And I think that's pretty cool. So the more you can do that, the better. And relationship building. Thing is here, as I mentioned, if you are trying to build a very large business, connecting with your audience is extremely crucial. And that will help, of course, build up that know, like, and trust factor, which will help with your conversions. Not only that, you're able to connect with real people, change people's lives, and feel good about it, and build those relationships, build those friendships. So some people, they're just focused strictly on business, focused on profits. But the strategy I use, it's very focused on relationship building. Conversion optimization. This is where you track your results and optimize your strategies to boost your profits. And the whole thing with conversions here is that in affiliate marketing, you're going to be promoting a business. And as you promote a business, you'll find out what works and what doesn't over time. This isn't going to come like your first few weeks, first few months. This is something where you're going to be building, especially if you're using organic traffic that you're not paying for. It will take time. It could take several months for you to gain that data. And I will give you some additional information. People that are using paid traffic. Some people that are getting started, they have this idea that they just need to pay for traffic. They get traffic and then they make sales. But one of the things that's missing is that when you're paying for traffic, you are building up data. You're building up data to learn from. So think about it that way. If you don't make sales from the start, if you don't make sales even for your first 3 to even 10 attempts of using paid traffic, make sure that you are gathering that data and learning from it. And as you run a campaign, one after another, you'll be able to gain very crucial data to learn from and improve upon. So keep that in mind. It just doesn't apply to paid ads. That will apply to organic traffic as well. Sustainable income. Build a business that fits into your life, not the other way around. So this is something that I feel can help you build up that work-life balance, to build up a freedom lifestyle. If you are new to my channel, realize that I'm totally focused on the whole thing of time, location, and financial freedom. So if you are into that, if you're trying to create that huge balance in your life, trying to have less stress in your life, build that type of lifestyle, then that has to be a core focus, where you build a business that fits around your life and not the other way around. And then streamline your business. Use streamlined systems. Use a proven framework to simplify your affiliate marketing efforts and generate passive income efficiently. Some businesses require you to build this framework on your own, because many affiliate programs will just provide you with a link and some dashboard metrics to see your views and your sales. So if you don't have a proven system, a proven framework, you're going to have to build it on your own. However, if you're just getting started, there are systems out there that allow you to adopt their framework and you can utilize it. Proven frameworks that actually have been proven to work. And to help you create passive income, I'm going to share mine. So I have a special framework that I've been using that streamlines the entire process. So to get access to this, make sure that you check out the first pinned comment below, and you'll be able to get access to my free video, which will talk about this passive income framework. So check it out. And I want to thank you for watching. Remember, you too can make bank with affiliate marketing.